Hello and welcome to How To For You. Today I'm going to show you how to fix a water leak on a 4th gen Toyota Rav4. This is a 2017 model, and what happens is when it rains severely, let's say you have like a really heavy downpour for a long time, it's not just like a light rain, you'll have water on the floorboards here and here, kind of like as this picture shows. Now, this happened to me at night, and I didn't film this because it was dark and I had to go somewhere, so I went ahead and cleaned it, so it was hard to show. But I'm going to show you in the daylight exactly what to do and what to look out for. So the reason why it happens is you have sunroofs, and if you go to the sunroof, there are, if I can show you right here, there are these holes here and on the other side over here. Now these holes can get blocked by debris, dirt, grit, and grime. And this is where water flows. And it'll flow all the way down here, and it'll somehow get clogged, and then it'll drain out the side, and you'll have a big pool of water here. So don't freak out. What you'll want to do is you'll just want to open up your sunroof. You'll want to clean this area with a cloth. And I actually like to get some sort of stick, and you want to just open that hole up and clean it out. So the best idea would be like kind of like a paper clip or some sort of maybe metal brush that's thin. You're gonna have to take a piece of cloth to wedge this open, and then you'll just want to make that hole a little bit more open right there. Alright, so now let's say that you've cleaned out the hole, you've got something to wedge open this little visor here that keeps popping up. A good way to test to see if it's actually draining properly is I took some water in a can, and I'm just gonna slowly pour it in that hole there. And I'm gonna show you what happens if you were to pour it down. It's actually gonna drain down below. Check this out. See that? That's how it should work. The water properly flows from the top through here and down on this exit port. Now, if it was clogged and there was problems, over time with that heavy rain, you would see a water pool up here. So that's what you want to do. That's what you want to look out for. Pretty simple fix. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.